Saatnya jam pertama dimulai.
It's time to begin the first lesson.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum students. Waalaikumsalam teacher. How are you today? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Alhamdulillah, I'm fine, thank you. Are you ready to study? Inshallah, ready. MashaAllah, good. I want to tell you about something. Do you want to listen? Yes, I want. But first, I want to ask you, do you love Allah and Rasulullah? Yes, I love Allah and Rasulullah. Okay, let's sing together. I love Allah, she loves Allah. She loves Allah, we all love Allah. He gave us the sun and the moon and the stars. He sends down the rain from the clouds up above. I love Allah, he loves Allah. She loves Allah, we all love Allah. He gave us the air that we breathe every day. He gave us Islam to stay on the right way. I love Allah, he loves Allah, she loves Allah, we all love Allah. The animals love Allah, the insects love Allah, the plants love Allah, the moon loves Allah, the fish love Allah, the mountains love Allah, the sun loves Allah, and the stars love Allah. I love Allah, he loves Allah. She loves Allah, we all love Allah. I love Allah, I love Allah, I love Allah, I love Allah. If you truly love Allah, then follow the Prophet Muhammad SAW. Then Allah will love you and forgive you for all the things you did. Allah is forgiving and merciful. Well, we know that we love Allah and Rasulullah is the first. We have to follow Allah and Rasulullah is the first. After that, your parents. Do you love your mother and your father? Yes! But that is child doesn't follow her parent. She doesn't obey her parent. She always refuses her mother's advice. Do you want to hear about the child doesn't obey her mother? Yes, I want. Okay, one day.
لكن هذا اللي صرت فاقد درعها.
Mom, I want to go with my friend today. I'm so sorry, dear. You have to stay at home today. But why do I have to stay, Mom? We have to read and memorize surah today. We do hope Allah always be with us. No, I don't want. I want to go. Please listen to me, dear. No, I have to go. Mom! I'm so sorry, Mom.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, we are standing here. We are going to tell you about the hell. Do you know about the hell? No. Okay, let's talk about the hell. Hell is a place that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had already created. And when Allah created the hellfire, He said, "Oh Jibril, go and look at my hellfire." And the angel Jibril, he looked at the hellfire. He went to Allah and he said, "Oh Allah, anyone who hears about the hellfire, they will never go into it." And then Allah surrounded the hellfire with temptations, with ease. And then Allah said to Jibril, "Now go and look at my hellfire." And Jibril came back and he said, "Oh Allah, I'm afraid that nobody will escape it." And the hellfire, it's a place of the most extreme suffering, the most extreme pain of every level that you can imagine. Physical, mental, spiritual pain and suffering and torment. It is a place where Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He will burn the skins of the people, and He will create their skins and burn their skins again, so that the people in there will taste the punishment. It is a place of heat, a place of pain. The people will cry in agony for water. They will cry for a drink, something to cool them, and they will be given water. They will be given drink, but it is a boiling water that will scald their faces and burn their insides.
And they will drink from a river that is made flows out of the wounds of the people of the hellfire. The wounds of the people of the hellfire will ooze pus, and its pus will gather together to form a river, and it is all they will have to drink. And the food will be the tree of Zakum, a tree, the fruit which are led the heads of devils. And the tree is so bitter that if the people wanna try to eat it, they can't eat it. But they will force themselves because there is nothing else to eat.
Wassalamu'alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
In Jannah, I want to see Allah's beautiful face.
In Jannah, I want to meet Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and have a lunch with him. In Jannah, I want to drink from all the yummy rivers.
In Jannah, I want to eat all the yummy fruits.
In Jannah, I can't wait to see my beautiful house.
In Jannah, I want to play in all the wonderful garden.
Allah Almighty has said, I have prepared for my righteous servants what no eye has seen, what no ear has heard, and what no heart has conceived.
I ask Allah Almighty that He accepts all our good work, forgive us for our sins, and enter us all into Jannah. Amen. Nobody does it like Mommy. My mom is special in every way. I look forward to her company each day. Nobody can give hugs and cuddles as warm as Mommy. We share bones so special. Allah created me in her tummy. My mom is kind and caring in every way. Nobody can love me like Mommy does every day. If I make a mistake or feel like I can't accomplish a day, she's always there to guide me and encourage me, making me feel like I can do it. Nobody cooks and bakes like amazing Mommy. That's why cake, cookies, baked are so yummy. Not cheese, but the perfection it is. Milk balls so tasty and so round, delicious and unique. There is nothing that have more. Nobody can teach me in all the world like Mommy. She holds me the wonders of
Allah's creation. I can always look forward to this exciting new lesson, and she tells me how Allah has created this ritual perfection. My mom is compassionate, patient, and caring to me. Nobody can nurse and care for me like my wonderful mom. When I'm sick and unwell, she stays up with me all night, nursing me and asking Allah to heal me. It is like my mom is the last part. She's so happy. Nobody can help us. Like music, we can look down with the trick, soldier puzzle or play cricket. We castle in the garden and read Quran stories in bed.
The Prophet Muhammad SAW told us that we must obey Allah and His Messenger at all times. But after that, who else did He tell us to listen to and be close to? Allah.
صاير بحلم فيها شو أعمل إلي شو قلبي معلق فيها من كتر الحكي الحكيو صاير بحلم فيها الجنة 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 الله يكرمني فيها الجنة 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 الله يكرمني فيها
رح قلك رح احكي وقوفي ما بوقف لو خلص حروفي رح قلك رح احكي وقوفي ما بوقف لو خلص حروفي لكن قولي شو بتشوفي في الجنة قوليلي شوفي لكن قولي شو بتشوفي في الجنة قوليلي شوفي